Hi, my name's Alan. We're at a local landscape contractor's nursery in Salt Lake City today, demonstrating how to use PVC-Lock, an innovative new glueless fitting by Hydro-Rain used in irrigation repair and installation. Our segment today will be on repairing a break at the valve at the male adapter. Okay, one of the challenges in fixing a repair near the valve is your threads. So in a glue fitting, here we have a simulated break in a glue fitting that we need to remove a section of pipe and then replace it with a section of pipe, which is a real challenge with glue. But with PVC-Lock fittings, we'll be using a slide repair and a male adapter. Now I've already prepped this with Teflon tape to ensure a good seal at the valve. So first we'll need to remove the old fitting and pipe. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come back about 8 inches from the valve, about 8 inches from the valve, and make a mark. And I'm going to make a cut right there. Okay, so now I've removed that piece of pipe, and now I need to unthread this piece back to where you may need to cut out another section in some cases. I need to remove that piece and get it out of the way. Next thing I need to do with PVC-Lock in order to make it an easy transition into the fitting is to use the beveling tool and bevel the edge off of the pipe. And then make sure that I clean off any excess dirt or anything out of the pipe as best I can. Then I'm going to install the male adapter onto the end of the slide repair like that. And then I'll insert the pipe side first, just a push and a slight turn to the quarter turn to the right. And then my advantage in this fitting is that it telescopes into the valve, and it will continue to do so as I thread it into the valve. I want to make sure that that is pretty snug, not bottomed out into the valve. And that's how you repair a lateral sprinkler line near an irrigation valve using PVC-Lock slide repair and a male adapter. For additional how-to videos using PVC-Lock and a list of distributors in your area, go to our website at hydrorain.com.